Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kryptonite. So let's dive in.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kryptonite, the crypto investor channel. I'm Boris, so let's dive in. Today, we're going to look at Algorand and what to expect, what are some of the advantages, why it is a blockchain you should be looking at. It's a blockchain that's been growing quite a bit. It's now sitting at number 21. As we can see, there's a small drop, but the whole market just dropped this morning. So, but if we look at it for, let's say, on a one-year period, it started the year, let's say, about a year ago. It was sitting at 30 cents. So it's done pretty well over the past 12 months. It is now at $1.67, 69. Now, the great thing about Algorand is that you can stake it, and I would stake it on Atomic because Atomic offers, I believe, 7.2%. If we look at the Atomic wallet, it's probably one of the best places to stake it. Not only it is your wallet, so whenever you put Algorand on Atomic, you're going to get a pretty good return. So if we see all assets and we select Algorand, 7.2%. So if you are putting, let's say, $10,000, that's the value. Monthly earning, you would be earning $60 a month, $720, for, I'm sorry, 10,000. So holding 10,000 Algorand, so that would be $16,000. You would be getting 60 algos per month, 720 algos a year. So 720 algos at 167, that's roughly a little bit over $1,000. So it's got a pretty good return as far as the staking is concerned. So it's a great coin to stake. Atomic is your wallet, so it is not sitting on an exchange. So that's also a good thing. And like we saw, it went from 30 to 167. So roughly almost 8x in 1 year. So pretty good return. The project has a lot of different things. The number of transactions is growing. They're also growing the number of possible transactions on the network. But the number of addresses of Algo has been exploding. As you can tell, we are now at 15 million. So it's a good project. If you go to the algorand.com, it'll show you everything that they are doing. They are getting into the NFT market, which is definitely some of the things going to become huge. And they're also getting into DeFi. So DeFi is another big thing they're getting into. It's a level 1 blockchain. So that's going to be one of the major players in the coming year, in the cryptocurrency markets. The other thing that's interesting is if you look at the news, there are lots of news about Algorand, firms raising money, integrating Algorand with Solana. So boom, they're spending $3 million. That was 3 days ago. They're seeing themselves as the future of finance. They are also doing many investments. Borderless Capital closed $10 million for Planets.funds to build green data economy on Algorand. So, and also they're doing a lot with governments. There are lots of governments that are starting to build on Algorand as well. Great thing about Algorand, it's much cheaper than dealing with Ethereum. Ethereum is still a great project, but as we all know, the fees are very high. On Algorand, they are much lower. So the whole project is growing from all over the place, and it could be a little bit like Solana or Matic or Avalanche. These are level 1 blockchains, and they're all catching up. They're all taking market shares, and growing very rapidly. Just to show you from an account, real quick, I'm on gate.io, and let's say that I want to send some money somewhere. Let's say I put in that I want to send $5,000, 5,000 USDT that I want to send, from gate.io to another address. And here's the funny thing. As you can tell, the fee right now is $40. That's $40 to send it on BTC, so on the Bitcoin Omni network. If I was to switch to Ethereum, wow, look at that, $63 to send, so $23 more, to send it on Ethereum. If I switch over to Algorand, it lowers the fee down to only $5. So every $5,000 that I send, and look at that, if I make it more, let's say I want to send $100,000, well, the fee remains at $5, and the fee doesn't change on some of the others, but depending on the time, depending on when you do it, the fees can be really big, especially like if I do a small amount. Let's say I only want to send, $500. So if I want to send $500, it remains the same. So 40, 63, but here on Algorand, it'll be $5. So definitely the smaller the amounts you want to send, the better it is, on an Algorand. So that's something to really keep in mind. Which, by the way, you may have noted that Tron right now, transfers are actually completely free. Now, I don't know if that's something specific to Tron on Gate.io, like they're trying to promote Tron, which Tron is a decent project. But as you can tell, it's very expensive on ETH. If you go to Solana, $5, same thing than Algorand. Algorand, $5, Polygon, $5. So those three big blockchains now, they are only charging you just a small fee, and the fee doesn't change. The other day I was trying to send some money with some looking at ETH, and ETH was not at $63 like it is today, it was at 87. So it varies all the time, and it even tells you hourly update. If you click on Algorand, it changes hourly update, but the price has not changed. I've done it many times, and the price has never changed. So another thing is sending money using the Algorand. Now, of course, you need to have Algorand available on the platform you're sending from and on the receiving side, and it's to be also capable of receiving it on the Algorand network. Unfortunately, sometimes it happens that some of the wallet you're using, or if you're sending it to another exchange, or sending it to a key, or sending it to another platform like an Exo or Celsius, some of them might not be compatible yet with Algorand, but lots of them are now, and it's definitely growing rapidly. So overall, a great project. What are some of the predictions on Algorand? It's up there. I mean, it's $5 to $10. There are lots of price predictions out there. What's for sure is like it's growing rapidly. So you see some of them think that it'll go to $3, and some say by the end of 2026 we could be reaching over $7. I've seen also other predictions, going as much as closer to $10. So overall, it's sitting at 167. It can do another 7-8x from here. In the meantime, you would be earning 7.2%. So the number of algo that you would have would grow over time. So it's definitely a project worth looking at. And I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.